How are you feeling?
A little bit better.
For all he knows, he could have the virus. Hey, his bow tie is spinning.
Yes, every time I wiggle my eyebrows.
We're gonna be spending the day at home today like most people are in the world right now during this crazy time. My next few videos are probably gonna be a bit different than usual because we're not gonna be traveling anywhere. We're literally gonna be staying at home. We had to cancel all of our trips for the next couple of months, which is kind of a bummer. Right now, as I speak, we should be driving to San Francisco, but that whole entire city is on lockdown, so of course we had to cancel that trip. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be making a lot more family vlogs here at the house, right?
You don't have the phone on your hand.
I got a diaper on my hand.
Yeah, look.
The camera can't see. I can't point the camera down that low. Oh, is Grandma wearing a big dress?
Yeah. I'm doing a dance party.
She's going to a dance party.
With a big dress.
Aww.
It's a party.
I don't know where. You tell me where the party's at.
It's right here.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm in the kitchen making Josh's lunch right now. He is self-quarantining himself in the garage because he has a cough and a headache. He's just not sure what's wrong with him. For all he knows, he could have the virus, but he might not. It could be something else. But just to be safe, he's been staying in the garage. So I've made Josh a veggie burger and some mangoes. Lunch delivery.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, little lady. Mangoes.
How are you feeling?
A little bit better. Don't have a headache today. Still been coughing, so.
Is it driving you crazy being in the garage?
A little bit.
So we're getting ready to decorate and remodel the living room. That's what all of these boxes are for, and I got a new area rug. I have never decorated this house. Anytime I get extra money, I want to spend it on experiences instead of things. So I would rather fill the car up with gas and go to the coast or something fun instead of getting like decorations for the house. So I always feel like our house is really boring. I did get this in the mail today, and I think it's blinds, because this door right here, those stupid blinds always fall off of the door. And I didn't realize that you could get repair tabs to fix the top, so I've just been disposing of the blinds, and so I ordered replacement blinds, and I hope they match. It wasn't even blinds in this box. It's a candle holder. Oh yeah. Here's the candle holder. Super cute. I love it. Don't know where I'm gonna put it yet.
I think it's gonna put it in the bathroom.
In the bathroom? For now, I put it on this shelf right here. It's like a triple shelf. I'm probably gonna move it once I start decorating. But check out Raya's giraffe. That is the coolest giraffe I've ever seen. I think though today the boys and I were gonna be putting together some bookshelves, but we're not gonna put them into place until we get all of our stuff together, but we're gonna put them together. So we're gonna have a shelf putting together party. Everyone's laying on the yucky dog bed. Aw, she's rubbing her own ears. Blaine, she wants you to rub her ears. We've got the bookshelf party in session. Blaine's putting together a bookshelf, Merrick's putting together a bookshelf, and I am putting together a bookshelf, and there's foam everywhere. Raya's getting really good at her ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, N, M, P, Q, R, S, T, T, B, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know my ABCs. Next time, don't you sing with me.
Good job! We hid the shelves in the hallway for now because I don't want to put them in place yet. I got some mail, so I think these are the blinds and some plants. I'm gonna open it up. Oh snap, my fake plants. They come in little stone looking pots. I've got a lot of fake plants in stone pots lately. I got these, which are super cute. And I've been putting them in this window, and then there's one in that window over there. I actually got 4 of those plants. And then I got these little succulents. I have 4 of those, but each one looks different. So these are new to the collection. I wanted to have plants in the house for like little pops of color and just to liven the place up, but I'm not good at taking care of real plants. So I've decided to go with all fake plants. Blinds! Oh, I hope they match. So they don't match perfectly. You can see this is the one that I replaced. They're a little bit lighter, but like all these are missing. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe it. We have blinds, a full set of blinds. We're calling Josh.
Are you eat all your food, Papa?
Yeah, I did eat all my food right, yeah.
Yeah, it's got new blinds.
Hang on, we'll show you.
What? Wait, where's the backyard? I can't see the backyard.
I know, we have blinds.
Hey, Raya.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hey, his bow tie is spinning.
Yes, every time I wiggle my eyebrows.
What's your name?
Rotten.
Muppet?
Rotten.
Not to know. I think it's time to be friends.
Oh, that's so great. Howdy, partner.
What's your name?
Travis.
Charlotte? I'm named Yaya.
Well, Raya, it's nice to meet you.
Well, our super exciting day at home is coming to an end. I have a ton of stuff to clean around this house because I've opened a ton of boxes today, and then with us putting together the bookshelves and hanging up blinds, the house has just gotten messier and messier. I hope you're all doing well. I know that it's a crazy time in the world, a crazy stressful time, and people are losing their jobs and everyone is stressed and anxiety levels are high. Hey, Mario. But as soon as all this passes, I'll be hitting the trails again. I am starting to get stir crazy as it is, but I just think that it's really important to stay home right now, at least as much as possible. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. See ya.
See ya.
Raya.